In this video, I'll guide you on how to prevent others from sharing your posts on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Next, scroll down until you find the post you want to modify. As you can see, there is a share button which allows anyone to share your post. To change this, tap on the three dots next to the post. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct option to disable sharing, but there are a couple of alternatives. The first option is to move the post to your archive. By selecting this option, your post will be archived instead of deleted, and you can recover it later. While it's archived, only you will be able to see it. Another choice is to edit the privacy settings. Tap on the Edit Privacy, and you can limit who can see the post. Currently, it's set to public, meaning anyone can view it. You can change this to friends or friends except if you want to exclude specific users from seeing it. You can also search for specific users to restrict access. Once you select the users, just hit Done. Additionally, if you want to keep the post visible only to yourself, choose Only Me. Once you have made your selections, tap Done to save your changes. Now, as you can see, I have set the privacy for this post to Only Me, and the share button is no longer visible. That's all there is to it. If you find this video helpful,